Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we're going to be going over is marketing and how to market it on a budget. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it and give you some a great platform how to market all in one and show you how to do it for half the price, probably half the price of a tank of gas, if that. So we're going to jump right into this one and dive right into it and get to these great answers and how to. So with that, we're going to be talking about Nowsite today. So Nowsite is actually, if you haven't seen one of my videos, feel free to go back and check out some of my old videos. I've done a lot of reviews and of their features, updates, all that stuff like that. I've been using their platform for marketing for some time now, online marketing, and it's or digital marketing too, and it's been very beneficial. So what I'm bringing you guys today is that they're doing a special this month. If you saw one of my videos before, if you subscribed to me, you saw that last month in November, they had a deal, what was it? A Black Friday deal for almost like a week. I think they started that Tuesday or Monday, and then had it go up until Cyber Monday. So for, pretty much for 7 days. And I guess it did so well, and people love that deal, and sometimes people, they missed out on it. But hey, they say, you know what? Let's bring it back. Let's rewind this and make this happen for you. So what they're doing is, I guess it's called the 27 days of Christmas or something like that, or the holidays. They're doing another 50% off their Nowsite Marketing Platform, and it's pretty cool. And what you get with it is actually you get all their marketing features. So they have amazing website builder, and what's nice is that you get unlimited websites. So I'll do another video on that. I'll show you what you can do with that and what is involved with that, because it's actually pretty cool. I don't think you can find this anywhere else for this price. And you also get their AI suggested content engine. So I guess they call it the three click marketing. Not guess, but they call it 3-click marketing. But it's unlimited AI, artificial intelligence, content creation. It actually creates the content for you, and finds it for you and locates it, the best content for your niche or industry or whatever you want to call it. It's pretty cool, pretty nice. Also, you get their email automation, CRM, and a lot more. So there's a whole bunch more features that's all included on this one. Including some cool new features that just got released, but you can check that out on another video. But what we're talking about is their promotion for this month. So it's 50% off. Their regular price is actually $87 for it's called the Entrepreneur plan, and that's their lowest plan that they have for $87. And it's pretty cool. It's a good plan. Most people start off on that one, and they get a lot of bang for their buck. And it's an all-in-one online marketing platform. So it works. It works really good. I've been using it for some time. I actually even upgraded to the next platform, the next level. So this deal is actually only for the Entrepreneur plan, and that's fine. That's more than enough to get your feet wet, to try it out, and actually to get the good results that you're looking for. That's what's nice. So if you are somebody who's been like, hey, I have a business, I have a brand, I've been looking for a way to market because this is so confusing. I don't want to spend thousands and thousands of dollars on marketing, throwing money at the wall and hoping that it sticks. Paying an agency $5,000 or more to do the same thing and just take your hands off of it and have them do it, and hopefully that whatever they do sticks. There's no need for that anymore, because now it dissects it for you. It actually does it for you. And it helps you just really save money. It's very efficient, effective, and affordable. So you don't have to really bang your head against the keyboard or break keyboards to get the results that you're looking for. And you don't have to break the bank or empty your pockets to do so. So like I said, they're doing a special, 50% off, Nowsite Marketing. You do need a promo code. So don't just go there to the site and start clicking and say, oh, let me sign up. Oh, hey, Ryan, you said that they had a promotion, but I had to pay full price. You need a promo code. And no, the promo code is not asking me. It's not asking me. You need to ask me. So you can actually do that. Ask me for the promo code, because it's exclusive. So what you can do is go ahead and either comment below or give me a call. My number is actually in the description below too. Call or text out. That's my direct line. And you will let me know if you're interested. Any questions that you have, I'll answer for you. And we'll get you going to start saving that money. Seriously, I had so many people take advantage of us last time when they had their Black Friday sale. It was just phenomenal. It was amazing. And they're loving it. I mean, I'm getting testimonies of people saying that, hey, this platform it can't be this easy. How is this possible? I spent hours and hours on Wix creating my website. And with this platform, I did it in less than 5 minutes. That's just one of their features. And they're like, how is this possible? So it's very doable. True living testimonies from real business owners and people. And it works for multiple businesses, network marketing, entrepreneurs, solopreneurs. It goes on and on. Small businesses, brick and mortars are using this to stay ahead of the times so they don't get caught up with the whole pandemic stuff anymore and having to pivot and not have to pay so much money and put more money into your marketing budget or advertising budget. This is saving people a lot of money. This is like putting $500 to $1,000 back in people's pockets for the bottom line for just overall. So it's a very beneficial product and service, and I can't stress how important this I was going to say important, but I would say how much of a great opportunity and great deal this is, guys. Like I said, I'm paying full price, and this is for life. This isn't just like 1 month. This is forever. You get this forever and ever and ever as long as you're paying and using the service. So for $43.50, that's what you're getting it for. It's cut half from the regular price is $87, and the promotion price 50% off $43.50. That's $3.33 a day. So don't quote me on that. Not a mathematician, but whatever. So yeah, guys. I mean, I wouldn't miss out on this opportunity. This opportunity is it's very rare. I'm actually shocked that they're even doing it twice, so close to each other. Usually they'll add give a little feature for free or something like that. But I'm truly, honestly shocked. I can't believe it. So yeah, guys, if you have any questions about this, if you have any concerns, if you want to see more of what it can do, contact me. We'll get you going. I will get you going. They have so much stuff. They have live chat support. You might be thinking, well, I'm not tech savvy. It's okay. They got you. Nowsite has you. The only company that I know that offers live video Zoom support. You click it up, it pulls it up, and you can show them what you're having issues with, what you're trying to do, and they can see it right on the spot. There's no, oh, explain this to me. That alone is just so convenient and beautiful. I love it. I use it myself a lot. If I get stuck, I'm tech savvy, but you don't have to be tech savvy, but if I get stuck on something, I call myself a power user and doing all kinds of crazy good looking stuff. I'll get a brain fart sometimes, and I'll call them up and say, hey, how do I do this again? So, let's go here, this, and this. And they'll actually show me step by step how to do it. It's amazing, guys. I love it. I love it. So, like I said, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment in the comments below. Or hit me up on my cell phone. Text me. Call me. Let me know. Say, hey, Ryan, I saw your video on YouTube. Great. Which one? I'm going to just ask you which one, so I can know which one you're talking about and go from there. So, yeah, guys, take advantage of this. If you are looking to market online and cut your budget down and have all your stuff done in one, email marketing, CRM. If you don't know what CRM is, that's customer relation management. It's a low platform. You can track stuff. Analytics. What else? Social marketing. That'll include attraction marketing, email marketing. They have SMS marketing now. Just so much stuff. I love it. It's SMS marketing is great. Check out. Stay tuned for my next video too for SMS marketing. But I'm not trying to ramble on. But I'm just super excited about this. you have to try it. The best thing is that there's no contract, guys. So hey, let's say, hey, I just didn't have time to get around with it. Kind of just cancel. So yeah, you can cancel, but you wouldn't want to. Here's the thing, because you get locked in, grandfather at that price. But there is no contracts, so it's month to month. It's a subscription base, and that's the best thing about it. You can cancel at any time. You're not going to want to, but you can cancel at any time. And this is just, it's a promotion. This ends, I forgot to tell you when it ends. Offer ends December 31st, 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay. Had a hard time reading that. Wow. So, that's what you get with Nowsite. Don't wait, guys. Don't wait till the last minute. Oh, I have time, because you know life happens. You forget, and then think you just, oop, sorry, I forgot. Yep, sale's over. Nope, can't go back. So don't waste your time, guys. Also, I'm telling you guys, when you get with me, contact me. You don't just get the Nowsite platform, the Nowsite Marketing Platform, and everything that they have on it. My team, I actually give software and programs and everything like that for my team. We actually have our own little private thing that we do on that we use for Nowsite, of course, but it's our team. We actually do weekly trainings on certain things, on just how to make money online, how to use this platform for your business, on just so many ways how to be successful with this platform and successful with anything you do online, and just to make money online. So that's actually a great benefit on this. We have, what else? It's just, the list goes on and on, guys. I'm not going to just sit here and tell you everything, but just don't wait. I'm telling you, please don't regret waiting and thinking, oh, well, because this is not going to get any cheaper, if you want to call it that. You won't be able to find this price nowhere for everything you're getting. Unlimited websites, a platform built by artificial intelligence, email automation, so autoresponder, email marketing, CRM, man, just so much stuff. Just to name a few, SMS. Guys, don't wait. So, with that said, if you have any questions or concerns, guys, please put them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. Or, if you don't want to do that, give me a call. Seriously, give me a call. I said it earlier before. Give me a call, text me. I'm an open book. I'm not going to BS anybody. So, with that, oh, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If this is your first time checking out my videos or channel, came across your page or your YouTube, awesome. Thank you for watching this and taking this time. But do me a favor and hit that big red button below. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell and hit all. Because anytime I put out any videos, YouTube will send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul just put out a new video, and you may want to check this out. So, with that said, guys, I hope you guys have a great day. Take care, and hopefully you get some value from this video. If you did, go ahead and give me some love, some likes, and share this and show somebody else. Somebody else may benefit from this too. So with that, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.